Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Assalatu wassalamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Tawba: المنافقون والمنافقات بعضهم من بعض يأمرون بالمنكر وينهون عن المعروف ويقبضون أيديهم نسوا الله فنسيهم إن المنافقين هم الفاسقون. Translation: Hypocrite men and hypocrite women are alike, one being of another. They make others to commit sins and forbid doing the right, and they withhold their hands from spending in the way of Allah. They have forgotten Allah, so He ignored Him. Hypocrites are surely the fasiqs, evildoers, disobedient to Allah. The hypocrites are very, very disobedient people, and these people are claiming that they are Muslims with their tongues, but in their hearts they are doing things opposite what is commanded in Islam. And their men and their women are similar to each other, and their actions are similar. They are claiming to be Muslim, but they are trying to misguide the people and turn them away from the straight path. In Islam, it is commanded that one must do Amr bil Ma'ruf wa Nahy anil Munkar, meaning command others to do the goodness and stop them to do the sin or bad things. But these munafiq, these hypocrites do the opposite. They call people towards sin and they stop people from doing the good things. Also, in Islam, it is commanded that Muslims must spend in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But these hypocrites keep their hands closed and they do not spend whenever there is a chance to spend in the path of Allah for the pleasure of Allah. They have forgotten Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, meaning they have forgotten the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they have lost the search to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala happy, to gain the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And once they have forgotten Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have forgotten them also. And when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have forgotten them, it is a big loss, because they will get the painful punishment of their evil doing and being fasiqs. They will be sent in the hellfire, which we will study in the next ayah. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, connect us with the truthful people. Oh Allah, save us from any hint of hypocrisy and save us from hypocrites. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.